Alright, you guys, so welcome. Another month. Continuing to follow the strategies. This week wasn't the best week. Um, Overall, price action was a little bit crazy. We ran really close to our TPs, but sometimes it just continue to fall off a cliff. Um, but yeah, but keeping mentally strong, staying emotionally stable, and making sure that we're following our strategy and that we're not going to switch up on things. That's the biggest thing in trading. One bad week doesn't define your strategy. Um, yeah, I'll let the trades play out, and then we'll get back to it. Did you get in? Oh, I entered.
Stop field.
Stop that. I'm in. So this right here was a really crazy trading day. We went in for a short, and as you can see, it immediately fell off. And we touched that bottom line of resistance, came back up to our price, started pushing up, and then we fell down again. And bounced off that line again. And we always go for 70 points because it's a fixed strategy, and at the end of the day, we ended up losing about 25 points. Dumping. And short. This was a good trading day here. We went in for a short, and price continued to stay around our entry, and eventually it broke down.
Very good.
And we hit. No, do not bounce. Broke it. 60 points. Raising the break even. 1.5 points is what I raised it to. Oh, you want the 24, bro? Come on. Alright, filled. Oh, man. Friday was just like another day, like Wednesday. Ran immediately to where we needed to run to, 50 points, and then we get a mean old dump right there. Then from there, it doesn't want to recover, and we start pushing down pretty bad. Just part of the strategy. Uh, cooked. Everything's cooked except for Top Step. Okay, so for Top Step, as you can see, we ended the week negative 374.66. We had no trade day on Monday because market was closed. Futures was open, but I don't like to trade. I don't like to trade when it's a half day when the market closes at 9:30 my time over in California. So you see Tuesday we had that full loss, Wednesday that partial loss, Thursday that full win, and then today Friday that full loss. Both I believe Wednesday and Friday were both days where we ran 50 points green, right? 70 points is my take profit, and then we proceeded to fall off a cliff. I don't raise my stop until I'm 60 points green based on my back tested strategy. So this is just part of the strat, and this is where you don't get emotional. We're not that far behind. We're at the moment 1.42 wins away. So if we win Monday, we're basically $90 down, and then we win Tuesday, we're back at it. So there's 17 more trading days, so no biggie. But we just add up our overall P&L, right? Be honest, show exactly what's going on in my trading career. So this is going to be negative, right? So let's just make this a negative number. right? Negative 1,873.30 cents. On personal account, 379.06. So we're gonna minus 379.06. Then on the 5 apexes, 355.56. 355.56 times 5, negative 4,030. And then on the 5 trader 5s, 406.20. 406.20. 5. So we ended up down $6,511.16 for the week, which is not bad at all. As we saw last month, we made 34. So it's just one of those bad weeks, and you can make that up pretty quickly. So basically, it's just we had those trades where our strategies didn't line up with it, and that's all right. I mean, if you look back at the data, last month was 6.11 wins, and I usually average around 3 to 7 losses overall that add up to 70 points. And right now I'm at 2.42 losses. So statistically wise, we should see some more wins rolling around, as we should expect a max of only about 4 more losses overall, and the rest should be winners statistically. And it's most likely going to play out in that way. And we also have that full week coming up as well. So yeah. Overall, this is just a good lesson for people that are starting new, where you're gonna have bad weeks, you're gonna have bad days, but don't let it ruin your psychology. Don't let it ruin who you are as a trader or anything else in life, whatever it is in your career. You learn from it, learn from your mistakes. If you can't correct anything about it, you did what you're supposed to do. It's all right. It's almost a win that you didn't break your rules and you didn't go off track of what you're supposed to do. So I'm gonna keep going with the strategy, keep going with what I'm doing. I don't think a one week that's negative defines the strategy at all, especially how last month went and how July went as well. So yeah, I think next week's gonna be much better. So that's how we day trade, and I'll see you guys in the next video.